today we're comparing Immich and Nextcloud. Both are powerful self-hosted cloud solutions, but they serve different needs and preferences. Immich is designed specifically for managing and sharing photos and videos, making it ideal for users who prioritize media storage. Nextcloud, on the other hand, offers a broader range of features, including file sharing, collaboration tools, and integration with various applications. Immich is a self-hosted cloud solution tailored for photo and video management. It allows users to upload, organize, and share their media seamlessly. The platform is user-friendly, featuring an intuitive interface that simplifies navigation. Immich supports high-resolution images and videos, ensuring your media retains its quality. One of its strengths is its focus on privacy and data ownership, giving users complete control over their content. However, it lacks some of the collaborative features found in more comprehensive platforms. Ideal users include photographers, videographers, and anyone looking to store and share their media securely without the clutter of additional file management tools. Nextcloud is a versatile, self-hosted cloud platform that excels in file storage, sharing, and collaboration. It provides users with a complete suite of tools, including document editing, calendar integration, and task management. Nextcloud's robust security features, such as end-to-end encryption and two-factor authentication, make it a reliable choice for businesses and individuals concerned about data protection. The platform is highly customizable, allowing users to add apps and plugins to enhance functionality. While Nextcloud offers a more extensive set of features, its complexity may be overwhelming for users who only need basic media storage. Ideal users include teams and organizations looking for a collaborative environment with comprehensive file management capabilities. When comparing Immich and Nextcloud, consider your primary needs. If you are primarily focused on managing and sharing photos and videos, Immich provides a streamlined experience that prioritizes media. However, if you require a full-featured cloud solution with collaboration tools, Nextcloud is the better option. For instance, a photographer may find Immich's media-centric design perfect for efficiently organizing portfolios. In contrast, a small business team might benefit from Nextcloud's ability to share documents and collaborate on projects in real time. Ultimately, the choice comes down to whether you need specialized media management or a comprehensive cloud solution. For users focused on media storage and sharing, Immich is the recommended choice. If you require a robust platform for file sharing and collaboration, Nextcloud is the way to go. Both solutions excel in their respective areas, so choose based on your specific needs and enjoy the benefits of self-hosted cloud storage.